Good morning, traders. Welcome to followmetrades.com Real Traders Club live session on Monday, April 10th, 2023. Easter Monday. Officially, it says so on my calendar. Of course, yesterday was Easter, and hope you had a great Easter. Do you celebrate it? It was a nice time. We had a long weekend. Front market was closed Friday for Good Friday. And so here we are back to work, and it is good. Looking forward to it. Let's jump right in, see what's happening here in the market. As always, we start with CNBC dashboard. Good place to start. Oh, got a little red. Dow is off 68 points, which is 0.2%. S&P 500 a bit more at 0.77, 0.75%, and the Nasdaq down over 1.33. And the headline here: stocks fall to start the week as investors recession fears grow. So apparently the banking crisis that wasn't is behind us now. Now we're back to the recession. And the economic indicator that people are focused on is last Friday's employment report from the government. And the number here that came in that has people's attention, the non-farm employment change forecast was 228,000, and it came in a little bit hotter at 236. So you'll see some headlines and some financial press ink being spilled that says, the job market's still hot, even after there was some question about that. With this number right here, that's not a big difference from the forecast. But of course, the concern is, right, the Fed would continue on a path of raising interest rates. So that was the report last Friday. Coming up this week, let's look here. Wow, refresh this, get the whole week. Go back, do this. Here we go. Here's the current week. All right. Wednesday, we got the inflation numbers, consumer price index. That'll be important. That's the needle the Fed is trying to move, get inflation down. All right. So it's forecasted to come down. Year over year is at 6%. They're forecasting it's going to come down. The monthly number will come down and affect the year over year number down to 5.2. We will see how that goes. We're also entering earnings season. Fastenal is kind of the new leader that kicks us off into earnings season proper. And they are going to announce on Thursday, the 13th. And so this week, toward the end of the week, we'll start to see earnings, right? And there's a sense, if you read the financial press, that earnings are going to be slowing down just a little bit. And there's still this concern right here about a recession right here. And so we'll see how that plays out. What do we got here in the chart? S&P 500, that's intraday. Let's look at the daily chart. The S&P 500 daily chart, as we've talked about, let's zoom out real quick, get a big picture. So for the year, we're actually up a little bit. We started here, pretty good move up to start the year, a little pullback, but we're up above, where the year started. And we are in a bit of an uptrend currently with a higher low, higher low, high. Well, what do we got here? We've noted 4 times in recent history these pyramid formations, and the power in these is when you have this compression of price action where it gets tighter and tighter and tighter. When it breaks out of that pattern, it can often result in a short-term move in the direction of the breakout. So what do we see happening here? Well, it looks like yet another one. So if we break out of this, either way, that could be very tradable. We'll be watching for that, see if we can take advantage of it. We've caught a couple of these and done pretty well. And then, of course, come Thursday when earnings starts, could change everything. And that will coincide, like we said, with on Wednesday, the CPI number coming out in the morning. That could move things pretty rapidly as well. So that's where we are. That's what to watch for in terms of economic reports overall market.